Hello, what's up, baby girl? It's your girl Pinky and it's your baby girl Sprinkle.
Yes, me.
Welcome to Uniquealienpinkymake.
Yeah, look
Come on,
at my hair.
Sprinkle's hair and my
Check it
hair.
out.
You want to help you get on the chair? So look what we got from the yard. We got some sticks.
Yeah, and that was mine. Ah!
Oh no, your hair fell.
The hair.
Your hair fell. Let's put your hair back on.
Hi guys. Guys, because what I doing?
We're gonna be doing it since Halloween is around the corner.
Yeah, for Halloween.
October. We're gonna be doing some crazy makeup out of these sticks that we found in the yard. So you're interested what we do with these sticks? You already know what to do. Make sure you subscribe. Go to Rumble. Rumble is where we play mostly the music is playing in the background. And here on YouTube, I don't do much talking.
Yes,
and only can play only the music that YouTube allows me to get. So make sure you guys go to Rumble. We'll be back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The world is not prepared to face a being from another planet. You have to have a lot of patience.
Alrighty, so we're gonna put some music. Sprinkle, you want to listen to Disney music? Or regular music that I like to listen to?
A princess music.
Okay, so Disney. Alright, so we're gonna put some Disney music. Crystal. Sprinkles is crying, so we're not gonna do it on her after all because she got scared. So we're gonna be doing it on me. So I'm gonna show you guys what I was gonna do on her. So we'll do it on me. Alright, so pretty much we have the cotton and then liquid latex that we're gonna be putting on first. But I'll be right back in a minute. I'm gonna try to calm her down because she's over there crying. So I'm gonna calm her down really quick so I can get started. We'll be back. some black and some pink, and to add it up in my, to make it look like more like skin. So I added foundation right now. See. Now we're just gonna add the colors. And Sprinkles is over there chilling. Oops. There she is, just chilling. You want to sit down over here, Sprinkles? You want to sit down? You want to sit right there? Alright, so I'm going to continue putting some music. Alright, so this is how it looks like. You got the stick hanging down. So Sprinkles didn't want to do it on her, so I decided to do it on me. So this, it only takes about like 30 minutes to do. 20, 30 minutes, it doesn't take long. So you can find these from the sticks from home. So this is what you could do. We're gonna be doing more looks coming up next. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Alright, thank you baby girls for watching. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to me on my Rambo channel. See you guys next time. Peace out.